Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. So here's kind of a different build for you. I started out with a Plymouth Barracuda, 71 Barracuda to be exact, because of the double headlights in the front end. And then I cut off this section, the trunk and the roof and the sail panels and all that stuff. And so then I have basically a convertible with no trunk. And what I ended up doing was I took the extra interior bucket that I had from the 63 Nova Wagon, which is this piece here, and I cut it down just behind the back seat, and I took the stock interior for the Barracuda and cut off that floorboard, which is this piece here, basically where the back of the back seat lies. Cut those off, so these became waste. So now these two will get joined together to become the interior for the Barracuda station wagon. So stay tuned and I'll update you as we go. And hopefully the thumbnail was decent enough to get you to turn this video on and start checking it out. Be right back. Well, there it is, folks. The world's first 1971 Plymouth Barracuda station wagon. It's based on a Chevy Nomad, so we're going to call this Yesmad or NotMad. The choice is yours. This is built out of a 71, well, as you've seen in the beginning, this kit here, the Pro Street Cuda from Johan. One thing I noticed while I was building it is, 71 is the only year for the Barracuda of this body style. It had the two headlights, but it's also supposed to have some gills right here, 3 little gills, and they're not included on this kit. I noticed it about halfway through. It's like, hey, what the heck? But this was a pleasure to build. I had a lot of fun doing it. What I ended up doing, for those of you who don't realize it, I used the roof section from the 1955 Chevy Nomad that I turned into a 1955 El Camino. And so I thought, what the heck, I might as well use it on something else, so here it is. It was a lot of fun, a little challenging. There's the engine, nothing special, but it is 426 powered. So there we go. That's a goodie. I'm claiming rights to this one. Alrighty, guys. Thank you all so much for stopping by. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was a bit of a challenge, but that's what keeps us going in this hobby. So thank you so much for stopping by. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. And always, keep on modeling.